I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts and preserve vehicle electronics. This also prevents airbag faults. Once done, remove surrounding trim with a panel pry to expose screws and retainers. Make sure to label fasteners so reassembly is painless. While you work, confirm the replacement radio dimensions and wiring adapter. This prevents surprises when the head unit comes out. Begin removing visible screws now, and keep small parts in a single container so nothing is lost. Once the trim is off and screws removed, pull the radio straight out while supporting its weight so connectors don't snag. You'll disconnect the antenna cable first to avoid kinking, then unplug the factory wiring harness and any auxiliary connectors. Note wire colors and pin order for the new harness. If your car has steering wheel controls or CAN bus adapters, detach them now and set aside. Before installing the new unit, inspect the cavity for insulation or clips that could obstruct connectors or mounting brackets. You'll connect the new radio harness, making solid connections with crimp connectors or solder and heat shrink. This ensures reliable power and speaker signals. Once wired, seat the unit into the dash, fasten mounting bolts evenly, and snap trim back into place. Reconnect the battery negative terminal and power the radio. Check power, display, sound, and steering controls. If something fails, start troubleshooting. Verify the radio fuse, confirm a good ground, and recheck harness pin alignment. These 3 checks resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.